Crows. While roadkill isn't the only thing crows will eat, it is a major part of their diet. They will also consume just about anything they can catch, such as small rodents, bugs, and even corn and wheat. These iconic birds are black with large bills. Hawks. Hawks will and do eat roadkill. Like crows, roadkill isn't the main part of their diet, but they will take full advantage if they come across carrion. Hawks also consume amphibians, reptiles, small mammals, and other birds. Andean condors. Condors, like turkey vultures, feed exclusively on carrion, which means they are another animal that eats roadkill. With that said, however, carrion are more inclined to consume larger animals than smaller animals hit by cars. So you probably won't see a condor stopping to feast on smaller roadkill, such as rabbits or squirrels. Hyenas. Hyenas are both scavengers and carnivores, which means they will consume roadkill and other carrion, as well as prey on animals that are still alive. Hyenas have a unique digestive system that lets them digest things that other animals cannot, such as hooves, bones, ligaments, and horns. Coyotes. Coyotes are another animal that isn't strictly a scavenger. They will also catch various mammals, such as mice, rabbits, and even some insects. That doesn't mean they won't also feed on roadkill if they find it. Tasmanian Devils. Tasmanian devils are not as widespread as some of the other animals on this list, as they are only found on the island of Tasmania. Unfortunately, this animal is listed as endangered and has a decreasing population caused by a few different factors, one of which is humans. Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons are opportunistic feeders, which means they eat just about anything that they come across, including roadkill. These aggressive lizards can even attack humans unprovoked. To make these creatures even more frightening, Komodo dragons are also venomous and will use their venom into bite wounds. Carrion beetles. As its name suggests, the carrion beetle feasts on carrion and can be found on just about any roadkill. They are considered beneficial insects that help to dispose of and recycle dead animals.